never slow up, no, I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after.
This one is our personal imported Mel Sims Hatch Grey po. Originally from Mel Sims po. Original po from his son. Ayan po. Ganda po. Imported Mel Sims Hatch Grey. P-comb family. They have a straight comb family. But this one, particular one, is a P-comb. P-comb family. Mel Sims Hatch Grey. Our personal brood cock. This is our personal imported George Neal Kelso po. He's about mga 18 months old now. George Neal Kelso, imported po. This is our personal, for our personal use only brood bull stag. George Neal Kelso. Ayan po. Mr. J.M. Guillermo, this is the Pure Lemon po. Trio that you've requested from us. J.M. Guillermo. Ayan po, sir. Pure Lemon Trio. Apayaw bound po ito. Salamat po sa tiwala, Mr. Guillermo. Ayan. Duke Halsey Lemon Trio for J.M. Guillermo. Mr. J.M. Guillermo po. These are the additional hens. This one is the Hatch Grey. There. Hatch Grey hen. And this one is a Cardinal Club Kelso behind. This one is a sweater. This one is the sweater and this one is the Kelso, sir. These are the 4 additional pullets for you, Mr. J.M. Guillermo. Yan po yung white. May white na gold na konti po. Mr. J.M. Guillermo from Apayao. Ito po. Bong, this is the hatch. He's a leaper hatch. High stationed and well balanced. Bong, look at his tail. So long. Look at his leg. Ang haba din ng binte. And mahaba din yung legs. His thigh is long and his leg is long. There. That's for you, Bong. Bong Imperial, our friend. Leaper hatch. Mr. J.M. Guillermo, this is the Possum Sweater Trio that you've requested from us. There. Ganda po yung brood cock. Brood bull stag po yan. 16 months old. High station. Ganda ng kulay. Long-legged. Ito po yung pullets niya. Possum pullets. For Mr. J.M. Guillermo from Apayao po. Apayao bound. Possum Sweater Blackwater Carol Naismith Trio. Mr. Delby Perez Palomari. These are the 6 pullets that you've requested from us. These are the possum sweaters. There you go. And these are the lemons, the lemon-hattled left-in lemons. There, ready to breed na po yan. Delby. Lemons. And this is the Cardinal Club Kelso pullets. Cardinal Club. Mga 1-year-old pa lang to. They're still very young. So, first setting nila. Mr. Delby Perez Palomari. Yan po yung 6 na pullets that you've requested from us. Cardinal Club Kelso. There. Pure Lemons. And the Possum Sweater from Carol Naismith Blackwater. Yan po. Mr. Wee Song. These are the 5 cocks that you've requested from us. Class A cocks. Wee Song. Here's another one. Mr. Wee Song, 5 Class A cocks. There. There you go. Indonesia. J.M. Guillermo, sir. This is your 3rd trio na po. This is a Sue Wilson Gilmore Hatch. Carol Naismith din po ito. Blackwater. Yan. Ganda po. Ganda ng station. Yung kulay, yung balanse, yung buntot po mahaba. Another mold po hanggang lupa na po siguro yan. Yung kanyang buntot. These are the pullets. Ready to breed na po yan. Sue Wilson Gilmore Trio for J.M. Guillermo from Apayao. Salamat po sa tiwala, sir. And good luck to your breeding. Maganda po itong nabigay namin sa inyo. Ako mismo po yung pumili.